Hello lovelies, welcome back. Welcome to my mini donut making kit video. Geez, I'm so excited about this video, I can't tell you. I don't even know where to start because there's so many things I've thought of and so many things I want to do, and it's like, calm down woman, try and get it in order. So in order first, we have this gorgeous mini donut making kit, okay? I got it from Big W for $49. I'm sure if you Google them, you should be able to get them anywhere. Big W does do online and delivery for $9, so that might be worth it as well. So I bought this to test it out because I'm just absolutely hopeless at making donuts. And if it's any good, I want to get a heap of them for Christmas presents. So I thought, bugger it, let's do an awesome video and just do the whole lot. So yeah, if you don't have much time at the minute, come back when you can with a cuppa and sit down and watch this one. So okay, so it comes first with this gorgeous big tin. Absolutely love this tin. The little lock thing on it and all come in it. I just thought this would be fantastic for camping or something. It's great. It comes with the maker itself, the little mini donut maker, an instruction book with 5 recipes which we're going to do, and I'm going to throw an extra one in at the end. And it comes with a sprinkle holder thing. You can put 4 different ones in that's got the things to sprinkle them out. It comes empty. So I went and bought one of these. They were like $2 and they've got 5 different ones in them, and it only took 3/4 of each one, and yeah, so I filled them all up. So if you're going to give it as a present, go and buy one of them too. That way they can, you know what I mean, start straight away. And apparently you've got to do it with butter. You've got to line it with butter or oil. So I've got canned spray oil, and I thought that would be perfect. So if you're going to get it as a present, grab one of them as well, so they've got everything. And it comes with a little donut holder. No. I mean, little piece of wood and that, you think they'd come with a few of them so you could line them up in all different ones, but oh well, what do you get? So if you can't afford the whole $49 kit, or you don't want it as a present, you can just get the donut makers on their own for like 1/4 of the price, and they pretty much sell them everywhere as well, like absolutely everywhere. So let's get stuck into this. Donut recipe number 1. Quick donuts, and it comes with donut glaze. Okay, so we're going to need plain flour, sugar, baking soda or bicarb soda, nutmeg, baking powder. Now either buttermilk, it says to use buttermilk, but I can't afford buttermilk at the minute, and I don't really like the taste of it either, but I know it does make things a lot fluffier. So if you like buttermilk, use buttermilk, but I'm just going to use normal milk. You use either vegetable oil or olive oil and an egg. So I'm going to write the recipe below because there's 6 different ones. So I'll write the recipes for everything below in the description for you. Alright, let's get cracking. I'll tell you what, if these turn out good, this is going to be so exciting, mate. I tell you, I'm popping. Alright, 2 cups of plain flour. Now we're using baking powder. We want 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we want 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda or baking soda. 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we're going to mix that in really well. I'm just going to get out a whisk. Now we're going to put 3/4 cup of milk or buttermilk. We're going to put 1 egg in there and 1/4 cup of vegetable or olive oil, and we're going to mix it in really, really well. Okay, I did exactly how the directions said, and you're supposed to be able to pour it in. That doesn't look like you can pour it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to mix that in and see if we can get it, because it says pour, carefully pour into your donut maker. So why in the hell would it be like that? Alright, so far I've put 1 cup of milk. And it's still like this. But what I'll do is we'll try and cook it and see how it goes. If it's not right, we'll add more milk. I don't know, it's weird. Straight off the bat, first recipe, it says pour it in there. How can you pour that in? Alright, let's give it a crack. So what I'm going to do is get out my cooling rack, cake cooling rack thingy, and sit it on the stove top. So we've got somewhere to put them when they come out. Now they say to use a plastic or wooden spoon to get them out with, but I mean, who listens to that? I'm just going to, because obviously you don't want to scrape them like your toasty maker, but you should be able to just flick them out. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put a little bit of spray on. Now we've got to close it, turn it on, and we have to heat it up until the green light goes on. When the green light goes on, apparently we put our mix in then. Okay, she's gone green. So, be interesting to see how this works. I'm just gonna, well, it says carefully pour it in, but look at this, how can you pour this mix I've done in? So I'm just, and it says don't overfill them because it won't cook properly. So that is going to be impossible. So I'm just going to try little half spoonfuls. Now the other thing I'm just thinking while I'm doing it is that I put one egg in, but I've only got little eggs. So that might make a difference. So once, see these are overfill I guess, but how else can you, I'll just put it in. We'll see how they go. So yeah, so the next one I might chuck one more egg in this batter for the next lot. So one large egg or two small eggs, and we'll try that and see if it makes a difference. But I'm pretty sure if you're supposed to pour batter in, it should be a lot runnier than this. But we're going straight by the book first, and then we'll fix it after. You never know until you try them, right? It's always a great idea. You might just have to improve it somehow. But yeah, I don't know how to not overfill them. It's a bit crazy, but we'll see how we go. I'm pretty sure they're overfull. Well, it's a bit depressing. The first one is just crap, as in the mix. Okay, and then apparently we shut the lid. Oh, that is definitely overfull. So once they've gone green, we shut the lid. They cook. Close the lid and cooked for 5 to 7 minutes until light golden brown in colour. Well, that's really clever. How in the hell are you supposed to see that? So I'll put the timer on for 5 and I'll have a look then. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Well, they look over golden brown for 5 minutes and they're rock hardish. So this time I am going to do it with a lot less in there, and we'll see if it makes them fluffier. Okay, a little spray of oil. I'm uncutting this video because if you watch my mistakes you won't make them. That's how I see it. Alright, let's try with a teaspoon this time. Try and do a teaspoonful. Oh, hang on, let's clean that off. Alright, heap teaspoon. I'll just try putting a heap teaspoon in. Okay, that's a heap teaspoon. Shut the lid, try again, 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up, let's try the next lot. Alright. Well, I don't know what to say. Alright, this is how it's gone down. So the first batter didn't work, the one out of the book. I've spent 6 hours making all different sorts of batters, cooking all different sorts of ways. The thing never cooks the same twice. They look fantastic and taste like absolute crap. Even with good batters, it doesn't matter. It tastes like absolute crap. So if you want something and you want them out there and you want them to look good, they look great. You know, all iced up and that look fantastic. But to eat them, they taste like absolute shit. They taste like shit to be eaten hot. I'm absolutely spewing because I've had like a migraine for the last 2 days. I've been trying my hardest to make a really awesome video with this, and the machine is just crap. So I went to take it back, and because I've taken all the packaging off and thrown it away, they won't return my money. I don't see why they need it all, because I'll tell you what now, most of the time they'll just put it all back together and put it back out for sale for someone else, and I'm telling you right now it's not going to happen with this machine. So this is what I think of the donut maker. Don't buy one. Please don't waste your money. Now, nobody was hurt in the making of this video except for a donut maker. Wait, that was worth me 50 bucks, I'm telling you. I can't believe I spent a whole day on that friggin' thing. Oi, have an awesome day, guys. I'm going to come back with some real food real soon. Bye.